Okay, hi guys. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to open a pocket knife. So I had trouble opening this, and then I found out a way how to. So what you want to do is open it. I'm doing this with one hand. Shit, I'm probably gonna do it with my right hand. This is my left hand. So I'm gonna have to put y'all guys down. Y'all probably know how to open it. You might not want to bounce. Okay, so the pocket knife's open. Now, it looks confusing to open it, but y'all might think, right, like this, is you supposed to open it? No. You actually go to the back, the front of it right here. You go back to this right here, you see? And there's like this little thing right here. You push this down, you push it down, you push it all the way down. And then you just push it. And you close your pocket knife. And this is great for protection. You can use it. You can use it for protection in case somebody tries to rob you. Always keep like a weapon or something on you, okay?